Good morning, guys, and happy Sunday. Welcome back to another week of my YouTube. Hope you guys are all having a good week or weekend, whenever it is you're watching this. We are just about to head out to the shopping centre. I want to get some snacks for tonight because we have a couple of friends coming over for a games night, and I'm going to get my birthday camera developed. My film camera developed for my birthday, so hopefully I'll find a place to do that. Still nothing on my Instagram. I have been speaking to a Meta support person through Brandon's account, but doesn't really look like they can do much because it's not my account, for privacy reasons, I guess. But I've submitted more appeals and they've just pretty much said to wait, so there's really not much else I can do, which sucks. But I'll give you guys a little outfit check. Just got a little linen skirt on and my little vest top to match. And yeah, we're heading to the shops now, so I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so I got this the other day because it was 60% off, and I wanted one for Christmas, but I couldn't find any in store. It's just an advent calendar, Littlest Pet Shop, so I thought I would unbox it with you guys. Adorable. Let's start from one. One is up here. It's a cute little cat. Very cute. Oh, it's a little toasting marshmallow. Oh shit, that one's a little pet shop collar. Oh, it's a little deer. It's so cute. Oh, I think they're antlers. Yeah, very cute. Oh, it's a little scarf. Very cute. More little reindeer ears, but pink ones. Another little scarf, but blue. It's a little, like, purple Dalmatian, maybe? Oh, yay. I was looking forward to this one. It's like a little cub. He's so cute. Very cute. Another reindeer. How pretty is that? This is maybe like a water bottle. A little bow. Some more reindeers with some brown ones. Oh, this one's a cute one. Just another reindeer. Got cute spots on him. I think it's a little necklace. Ooh, another necklace. Last part on this time. Another marshmallow on a stick. I've already got that. Another little necklace. That's pretty cool. A little panda. Awesome. So that is all done. I'm gonna keep the box because it's very cute and awesome. Right, we're out here doing our little dancing. And now someone on one of our dancing videos thinks that we're Scottish. So they said something about doing a Scottish nutbush. So now we're gonna reply to them with us doing the nutbush.
You're coming home with me.
Air feels like October skies. Fumbling, lost all track of space and time.
Good morning, guys. I'm just heading to go do some dancing with Maddie. Outfit's a bit extra, but she wanted to wear pink dresses and this was the only one I haven't worn yet. That's flowy and good for dancing. What's today? Tuesday, pretty much the start of our work week for us. So we'll be working tonight. Had some lash clients this morning, and yeah, don't know what else I'll be doing for the rest of the day. Just see how the day goes, but off to dancing now, so I'll speak to you guys soon. So I actually forgot to film our dancing, but it was really hot, and I didn't really want to set my phone in the sun because where we danced it was really sunny, wasn't really any shade. So yeah, couldn't do that. We also, the other day when Maddie and her partner came over for games, we filmed like a really funny video and I'm gonna insert it in.
That looks totally cute! Oh my god, are you kidding? Hi, I'm Carney Wilson before my gastric bypass surgery! Well, what about this? This goes with your skin tone. Somebody throw Shamu back in the ocean! Wow! Okay, let me get you something else, okay? How about these, huh? This one's you vision's so terrible! Let me go and see if there's some help out there. Some professional help. You need professional help. Hang on. Okay. Dr. Phil! Oprah, somebody help!
Now I'm heading to work. Some easy makeup for the night because it's probably going to be a quiet night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. guys, and happy, what's today? Thursday. We had a very early bad morning because we woke up at 6:30 and then left at 6:40 to take Wally to the vet for our appointment at 8:10 in like Daisy Hill, which is supposed to be a 40-minute drive, and it ended up taking like 2 hours because there was a big closure on the M1 from a crash last night or early this morning. So that was horrible. We ended up getting to our appointment literally an hour later. Like, we got there at 9:30. But they were so good. They still let us come in, which was really, really good. Obviously, it would have sucked to waste 2 hours driving for them to say no. So we got really lucky. And yeah, so thank God we got him in, but that was a pretty shitty start to the morning. Then we just went and got some breakfast at a cafe nearby because none of us had eaten, and then we checked out some of the shops trying to find this one brat stall that I need from a certain line, but we had no luck, so that sucked. But we came home, I had a bit of a nap, and now Brandon's gone to go pick up Wally. Thank God the roads are clear. It's only taking him 40 minutes to get there, so it's a lot better. But I did get something in the mail today, which I was very excited about. My camera. I have unboxed it already. Here she is. Not really sure that it's got a brand. It's just digital camera. I just bought it from Catch. It was pretty cheap, so I was like, may as well. And it's got this part that flips up, and I thought it would be good for my vlogging. I'll turn it on. It's pretty good, but I want to start trying to use it for vlogging. I just have to get an SD card for it. But yeah, super excited about that. It came quicker than I was expecting. Ignore my lost nails. I lost a few yesterday. But yeah, we're just about to get ready for work, and then Brandon is off to Brisbane tomorrow morning again. So lucky that the bad traffic wasn't today, because tomorrow he's going in for his clinical trial, but just for a checkup during the day. But it's really important he's there on time. So yeah, he'll be going there tomorrow. And that's all for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello guys, and happy Friday. Didn't really get up too much today. Brandon went to Brisbane for some more blood tests and stuff like that for his trials, and I just had a little walk on my walking machine. Wally's been resting all day, so we haven't been able to take them out or anything like that. And yeah, other than that, we haven't got up to much. I did curl my hair, which took me a long time, so I just have to wait for it to drop because it's very curly at the moment. And yeah, but I did get a parcel, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. Oh, I also got an SD card for my vlogging camera, so I'm excited to start using that as well. Alrighty, these are just some things that I got from Cotton On. I saw this in store and I loved it. For some reason I didn't get it in store, so I just ended up getting it online. So it got lace on it, which is really cute. It's a 90 as well, so got a large one of that one. This one I tried on in store and I wasn't really a fan. It's just a pink singlet, but it was just, I tried on a small and that's what I got, but it was still really loose and just wasn't super flattering. So I think I'm gonna return that and swap it for something else. This one I ended up trying on in store as well. Not too sure on it. I want to try and see what Brandon thinks, but it's just like a little vest top. This is a medium, and when I tried it on from memory, it is a little bit big, so I probably could have gotten a small, but I'll try it on again and see what Brandon thinks. Otherwise I'll just swap it. And that's all. Now I am just about to start getting ready for work. Just been watching Love Island while I do my makeup and stuff like that. But yeah, about to get ready for work. And then tomorrow we got fairly early morning for me anyway, because I'm going to a Princess Polly warehouse sale. And apparently the lineup gets crazy. So I'm getting there, starts at 9, but we want to get there for 8. So I'm gonna wake up extra early to go and do that. But other than that, I will speak to you guys tomorrow. Got to show you guys this little thing that one of my friends got me from work. So cute. It's like one of the Sunny Angels, but it's a what's it called? Like a rip-off version. So really cute. Okay, bye. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Early morning again today. Got up at 6:30, heading to a Princess Polly warehouse sale because I'm going with a couple of my girlfriends. Hopefully get some goodies. And it starts at 9, but we want to get there for 8, so hopefully we don't have to wait in line too long. I'll take you guys with me. Alright, just finished up at the Princess Polly warehouse. Got lots of goodies. I'll do a little haul later. And now I'm just at Pack Fair because I need to exchange a few tops that I got yesterday from Conon. And then I'll be heading home. Very tired. Princess Polly was insane. Like, it was so busy. And we were there since 8. We literally, it's now just gone 11. Like, we left at 11, so we were there for 3 hours. Okay, shut that. Ignore the loud fan noise, but I thought I would show you guys what I got from the Princess Polly warehouse sale today. Alright, well, this is what I exchanged one of my cotton on tops to. Got a size small, tried it on, fits really nicely, and I really love it. It's just like cute, and I feel like the small is more supportive as well. Alright, Princess Polly, I got this hat. She's really cute. I got this dress. We also tried everything on, so we know everything fits. It's a short one. Got this 2-piece set. This is like the top, an open back, and the shorts. I just love the shorts. Then I got these jeans. They look huge, but I like the baggy look. Like, And I think my favorite is the jacket. I wanted a jacket like this for ages, so. Oh, I also got cowgirl boots. I'll show you guys them in a moment. I got like a tan pair for myself and then a red pair for Maddie, because she didn't come. So yeah, and I'll do a try-on haul in a bit. I'll have a little bit of a nap because I'm very tired, and I'll show you guys shortly. Okay, I'm up from my nap and it's try-on haul time. So I'll try the first one. Okay, this is the first one. Super cute. Ties up here at the back, so you can like cinch it a bit. But yeah, this one is very cute. Alright, next one is this little leopard print set. Super cute. It's got an open back, and I definitely feel like I could wear both with like a different color, either top or bottoms. And the shorts are full coverage as well, which I love. Still mini, but full coverage. Okay, I tried it on with cowgirl boots. Wow, that I got. Very cute. Alright, now is the jeans. They're very baggy. That's those ones. And lastly, the jackets. Love the jacket. Very cute. Alrighty, that is everything I got. Just gonna get ready for work now, head to work. Update on my Instagram is nothing. I have literally heard nothing. Ignore my shitty lipstick. It's half come off because I've been wearing it all day. But yeah, nothing on Instagram. Praying to hear something next week or by Monday, because technically the Facebook verification is supposed to take it, like in rare cases can take up to 2 weeks, and Monday will be 2 weeks since I tried to verify. So technically they should have done it by then. Yeah, so I'll be reaching out to support again if it's not done by then, obviously. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you again for watching another week of me.